Yeah, I was. Okay, you do that. I was just checking audio first.
The National Weather Service has issued severe warnings in Nebraska, bursting Dodge. Fuel for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, is close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
Hi, Sky.
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 357 has been issued until 1 a.m. Tuesday for the following counties in Nebraska, Burt and Dodge. Now for the
Cat, we got something.